Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's hear a quick look at the headlines. MBOS declares SSLC results. Sherwood School Tura tops SSLC results. St. Anthony's, St. Edmunds back top rank in HSSLC arts results. Normston Public Secondary School shines among schools in West Khasi Hills in the top 20 of SSLC results. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma reviews ongoing renovation work of Tura Civil Hospital. And returning officer issues prohibitory orders, bans victory rallies on June 4th. The news in detail. Anuj Chetri of Sherwood School Tura in West Garo Hills secured the first position in the top 20 merit list in this year's secondary school leaving certificate SSLC examination conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, whose results were announced today. Christian Academy School Shillong and Synod Higher Secondary School Mission Compound Shillong have done well in this year's secondary school leaving certificate SSLC examination, with 2 of the students of both the schools made it to the top 20 merit list. The state recorded a pass percentage of 55.80% in the SSLC examination this year. 30,207 of 54,134 students from 679 schools cleared the SSLC examination held in 157 centres. West Jaintia district scored the highest pass percentage at 78.34%, while North Garo Hills registered the lowest at 23.88% in the SSLC examination.
What to do, and I wouldn't have done well without their help. Then I would also like to encourage you to do well in your studies and in anything that you do, work hard and
you blame one of our Kani Baro Karing Jinkujo Ublay, our Clam Uta Mampoida Kania, Kubong Nakin Ublay, he Jimina Jongata Kaleno A, Klamka Jinkujo Ublay, Kajilan Kajong Ublay.
Nungkong ay ang dedicate mo ya ublay ba ay ang kunya ka opportunity diba diki ya ka school hi baro ka way principal ki teachers nga but lagi bahaya sam jang kamtam ipa himen ti nga shu kwa ban ong ba man balance pa ka time krakot ba ya ka time petru yan dat tabam ti ban pet than mo
the very message ba kwa ban ay kalong ba. Don't compete with others, compete with yourself. What you compare because neither nakajang potentiality, neither nakajang capability. What you compare compete with yourself.
In the higher secondary school leaving certificate arts, Menang Mankrao Kharkongor of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong and Gaurav Bharali of St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School shared the top position out of 10 in order of merit. The overall pass percentage in the HSSLC examination was registered at 79.76%. 21,833 of 27,374 students from 251 schools who appeared the HSSLC exams held in 105 centres were declared successful. In the HSSLC examination, East and West Khasi Hills district recorded the highest pass percentage at 92.32%, while South Garo Hills in the lowest with only 56.30%.
The school, whatever challenges, obstacles that I have, I always go to them and they always help and motivate me. So I find them, we live in this competitive world. So my advice is that you must be determined to achieve your goal.
I feel very overwhelmed. Yesterday, everyone was texting me that you'll get it. So I just got really nervous. So I cried also. But now I made it, so I'm happy. I didn't prepare like 5-6 hours. Of course I did. I put in a lot of work, but I took everything seriously, even for the smallest tests, even if it's for 5 marks or oral. I just took it seriously because I don't want to keep it to the end moment. That's what I did. That was my strategy, and I.
Nongstoin Public Secondary School, Nongstoin has emerged as the only school in West Khasi Hills district which has performed excellently in the SSLC examination, where one student from the school entered the top 20 list of the Secondary School Leaving Certificate SSLC. With Netsi Walang from Nongstoin Public Secondary School secured the 13th position rank with 554 total marks and obtained distinction in all subjects.
Ay boleh naman kabankang hi kajing siya kajing albor kajing boleh kandi abang perkat hi kabon lagi tingam la hindi nakadaw ko ba boleh hi usat bor yang
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited Tura Civil Hospital yesterday to review the ongoing renovation of its infrastructure and facilities. During his visit, he discussed the progress of the renovation with the hospital management, which are an outcome of the previous meeting where the urgent need for renovations and new facilities were discussed. The Chief Minister also took the opportunity to meet patients who had undergone surgery at the newly installed cath lab. He congratulated the management and the team of doctors involved in the critical heart surgeries.
Already seeing the benefit of this cath lab here. I'm happy, and this is part of the renovation and the upgradation of the civil hospitals that we have undertaken in different parts of the state, and work is going on in full swing here in Civil Hospital Tura, at the same time in Civil Hospital in Joy, and like that we will keep taking up the work in different parts of the state.
The returning officer of Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, S.C. Sadhu, said prohibitory orders will be issued restricting processions, victory rallies on celebration for 48 hours after the close of counting of votes on 4th June. After holding a meeting with the representatives of various political parties yesterday, Sadhu told reporters the prohibitory orders will be enforced till 4 p.m. of June 6. He said the decision on prohibitory orders was made as victory rallies and processions will disrupt peace and may create law and order problems. Informing that he had apprised the political parties that this was needed for the maintenance of law and order in the district, he also informed that the political parties have agreed to this proposal. The police have registered a case against top HYC leaders after members of the group dismantled some 80 dwellings at Lom Survey yesterday. The police have booked HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram, Vice President Don Bok Lang Karlingdo, Assistant General Secretary Isaac Basayamot, and others under relevant section of the IPC. East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu said that they are firm about initiating action according to the relevant provisions of the law, while asserting that there is no exception in this regard. He said the police and magistrate responded soon after receiving a report that members of the Nyotrep Youth Council HYC went to dismantle the houses of the alleged illegal settlers at Lom Survey. According to him, this kind of approach will create more law and order problems than solving it. Minister Paul Lingdor yesterday informed that the state government has finalized the appointment of the new chairpersons of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW and Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights MSCPCR, as well as the mission director of the DREAM project. Meanwhile, speaking to media, he also said that the state government has made tribe certificate mandatory for areas under the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC in regards to issuance of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe certificate in Meghalaya. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor yesterday held a meeting with representatives of 10 Dorbar Shnong of West Shillong constituency for illicit opinion on various issues confronting the constituency. Speaking to reporters, Lingdor said in the meeting as part of the various developmental activities are concerned, the issue raised concerning water, power supply, LPG connections and distribution and road capacity traffic. The meeting also deliberately and discussed on rampant situation due to rapid growth of drugs users and drug traffickers in the constituency. The Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO Southwest Khasi Hills District yesterday inspected the civil hospital Maukarwat after getting complaints from the general public about the functioning of the hospital. Speaking to media after the inspection, working president of HITO Southwest Khasi Hills, Bitnam Nongset, said that after getting complaints regarding the non-availability of medical testing facilities in civil hospitals like the X-ray, ultrasound, scan, endoscopy, etc., the HITO said had demanded from the concerned authority to strengthen and equip the hospital by bringing in machines to conduct the different tests so that the hospital can function properly and the people don't have to go to Shillong for such tests.
Scanning X-ray hapo jong kaneka hospital nangba kaneka lat kan long ka jing ai ka jing sakri ka pakabha nakabanda hinongpang hapo jong kaneka kadong ka thang ka jomi.
The Nongpo Area Women Welfare Association organized an awareness program on women's right and observation of Mother's Day today at Nongpa Darbar Hall. Nongpo MDC Balajit Rani attended the event as the chief guest. Speaking at the program, the chief guest highlighted on the importance of mothers and their important role in the community. Guest of honor N.F. Sun, District Social Welfare Officer Nongpo, spoke on the importance of women empowerment and stressed on the different rights, domestic violence, sexual harassment and others. The Mau Last Night Sports Club concluded the E.K. Maulong Memorial Trophy Football Tournament yesterday at Mau Last Night Football Ground. Retired PWD officer Ransom Sutinga graced the closing ceremony as the chief guest. In the final match, Shillong Lajong FC faced off against Benares SC. Shillong Lajong emerged victorious, securing a 2-0 win. The tournament is a tribute to the late E.K. Maulong, a prominent state leader recognized for his significant contribution to the welfare of the people of Meghalaya. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 26 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 81%, while in the evening it was 84%. Forecast, light to moderate rain and thunder showers likely to occur at few places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. MBOS declares SSLC results. Sherwood School, Tura tops SSLC results. St. Anthony, St. Edmunds back top rank in HSSLC arts results. Nongton Public Secondary School shines among schools in West Khasi Hills in the top 20 of SSLC results. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews ongoing renovation work of Tura Civil Hospital. And returning officer issues prohibitory orders, bans victory rallies on June 4th. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.